Garden Rattan Furniture Set 3 pieces Patio Outdoor Rattan Patio Set includes cushion 1 glass table outdoor indoor weatherproof patio conservatory. Weatherproof and UV stabilized PE rattan, leave outdoors all year round. Removable and washable cushion covers, allowing all of your family and pets to enjoy your garden furniture set without the worry. All Rattan furniture sets incorporating table glass tops are specified and supplied with tempered safety glass. High-quality resin-weave, UV-resistant, anti-fade, full rust resistance, aluminum frame. The chair back can be folded. Low maintenance due to its high-quality construction materials and design. Constructed with a high-grade premium PE rattan weave material which never needs to be painted or treated. Fully certified for safety and peace of mind. You have no need to worry. This furniture set has been tested and certified to comply with UK Furniture and Furnishings fire and safety regulations. Specification includes 2 chairs and a tempered glass side table. Chair dimensions 57x58x81 cm. Coffee table dimensions -40x40x45 cm. Cushion thickness 5 cm. Aluminum frame and 5 mm thick glass.